Hello guys, welcome you all for another new video related to moneycontrol.com. In this video, we are unveiling one of the best features of the moneycontrol.com, that is events calendar. Before going in detail, I would like to request you please do subscribe our YouTube channel. Now let's understand the topic. For going to events calendar, if you are in home page, you need to click markets, and here we can find the economic calendar. If you click that, we have four different types of calendars. One is economic calendar, second one is earnings calendar, and third one is corporate calendar, and final one is IPO calendar. And in economic calendar will represent the economic events of the particular country which will impact the global share market. For example, here we can find the timeline like yesterday, today, tomorrow, and this week and next week, and we can find the date as well. For example, now I am selecting from today onwards to 31st of this month. Let's apply. And here we can find the major impactable countries to the global market. And now I will only select India and USA. Here we have three different impact. One is low impact, medium impact, and high impact. High impact usually will impact the global markets on a high basis. Here we have a Indian time. It is based on Indian time only. We have a country that is USA. Now tomorrow, that is January 12th 2023, we have an event that is USA inflation rate is announcing. So on after the markets hours of Indian share market, that is Indian share market will close on 3:30, right? So the news is coming on 7 o'clock, evening 7 o'clock it is coming, the inflation rate. See, here we can find the previous month. Here December month inflation rate is coming. Now we have in November month it is 7.1%. Concession means it is a guidance given by the various expertise. So the others are expecting that the USA will report inflation rate maybe at 6.5. The maybe now in tomorrow 7 o'clock, maybe it will report 6.5 or less than or more than it may actually needs to come, right? So if it is come less than this 6.5 or previous less than 7.1, so it have a positive news and it will impact positive to the market. If more than 6.5 and or more than 7.1, again, so this is a negative kind of thing, and it will impact negatively to the stock market. Now we hear earnings calendar. Earnings calendar means it is a results calendar which is going to post by the companies in a future date. For example, today 5 Paisa Capital third quarter's results it is announcing, right? So here also same timeline is same. Now I will select tomorrow. Here see, tomorrow Infosys is announcing third quarter results. So HCL Technologies also announcing third quarter, and Anand Rathi is also announcing, Den Networks, like that. Here we can find. Here we have a tentative time. Tentative time is very important to whether it will. If you, for example, during the market hours means from the morning 9:15 to closing of 3:30. In between that time, DRC systems will announce the quarterly results and will impact that day itself. It will not carry forward to next year like that. For example, here we can find after the market hours. After the market hours means after the closing of the market. That means after closing of 3:30, and it will close, market will close on 3:30, right? After closing the market on 3:30, the Infosys will announce the third quarter. That means the whatever the negative impact or positive impact, it will impacted on the next day, that is 13th January. Like that we can understand here. And corporate calendar means it is a corporate events calendar, like corporate action like rights issue, dividends issue, and splits of stock, bonus issue, like that. Now I will select only like bonus I will select. See, music broadcast, this is announcing the bonus on a ratio of for every 10 stocks, 1 stock they are announced. So what is the ex date? That is 13th. Means if before 13th, if you buy the music broadcast of 10 shares, you will get a 1 share of bonus. So like that we can understand the X rate. X rate is very important to get the benefit of that company's bonus issue. And IPO calendar. IPO calendar will represent IPOs which is coming in future, IPOs which will file the draft issues, like they are filing for IPO coming, and recently listed IPOs. Here see, already upcoming or going IPOs here. SME means small medium enterprises, that like it will most probably used by the HNI customers. It is opened from 9th January to 11th January, and today is the last date. And here recently listed we can find Radiant Cast, Eline Electronics, like that it has been listed. See, listing gains here we can find, and current market price also we can find here. And draft issues, this is the most important. We can find the draft issues from here. See, Rishabh Instrument, Onasa Consumers, Survival Technologies, Balaji Solutions Limited. They filed the drafts with a SEBI for coming with an IPO. So this is all about the events calendar. Please do like our video, subscribe our YouTube channel, and share our video. Thank you so much, yaar. Thank you.